Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna Limited. Now the most notable features on this Limited is its navigation system. You also have your DVD player along with your heated steering wheel. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna Limited. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Limited is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look just at your front bumper, you are going to see your front-facing camera for your 360-degree backup camera, along with your parking sensors, and over on the side you have your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, taking a look on your mirrors, you have your integrated signal lamps as well as your down-facing camera for your 360-degree backup camera, your heated mirrors, foldable mirrors, and then on the inside of the mirrors here, you'll see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now, with your blind spot monitoring indicator, it'll actually light up just alerting you that there is another vehicle right beside you. And just to give you a quick idea of what your second row is going to look like, I'm just going to open up the back here. So as you can see, you have your captain seats in your second row, and then you also have the window visor, or window shades I should say, in both your third and your second row windows. Now, taking a look up top, you also have the DVD player in here so you can entertain the kids on those long trips. And then to close the power sliding rear door, the button's just located on the inside there. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kids actually getting their arm or hand jammed into the door, you don't have to worry about that, because the door does have the jam protection, so in the event that their hand is in the door will open itself back up automatically. And to close them from the outside, just pull on the handle once more, and it will close automatically for you. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is pre-dawn gray. Now, to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your gray leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left-hand side, you have your traction control on and off, parking sensors on and off, view for your 360-degree camera, and your heated steering wheel. On the inside of your driver's side door, you have your seat memory controls for your driver 1 and 2, mirror controls, power folding mirrors, window locks, power locks, and window controls, both your front and rear windows. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, scroll function mode select, you have your voice recognition Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display, along with your lane departure alert and your cruise control. Now, you do have the push button start, so all you have to do is push your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you're going to see a couple of different options on there, which include an exterior temperature gauge. You also have a digital speedometer, distance to empty. You can also take a look at your average fuel economy, all-wheel drive monitor, and then if you take a look just over on the side, you have your navigation system, audio control, lane departure alert, messages, and then your settings menu for your ECT power, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, pre-collision system, and your lane departure alert with your settings menu, just so you can personalize everything for yourself. Now, taking a look at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options on here. So as you can see, you have your digital clock, and then if you head inside your menu, you'll find your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, you do have that premium JBL sound system with your XM satellite radio, and down below you'll see your temperature control settings along with your front and rear defroster, your dual zone climate control settings with your rear temperature controls just located down below here, and it's mounted to an automatic transmission. And if we take a look just down below here, you have your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, USB and auxiliary input, and your 2 power outlets. Now, if we take a look just up the top here, you have your auto-dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass, and at the very top here, you'll see a couple of different controls, which include your power sliding rear doors, power liftgate release, and open and close for your moonroof with the tilt up and down feature. Now, you also have the SOS Safety Connect, so with the SOS Safety Connect, if you're in a collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away. Now, the other cool thing with the Sienna is it does have the new Entune app suite. So as long as you have the new Entune app suite, you can use such apps as the Slacker app which you can stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display, check local fuel prices, or keep up to date with the latest sports scores. Just depends on what your preferences are. And then if we take a look now, with that backup camera, you have that 360 degree view, and you also have the guiding lines on there as well. Now if you want to change up your view for your 360 camera, you can just go to a more dynamic view or a traditional backup camera view if you so desired. Now when I put the vehicle into drive, and then if I hit the view button that's just located on your driver's side here, you'll be able to see that nice front view of the vehicle. So if you're parked in a parkade and you need to see exactly how much room there is between you and the wall, it definitely comes in handy. Now if you hit the auto feature, anytime that you're under 10 kilometers an hour, this screen will actually pop up, and then after that it will go back to the screen you were on before, I should say. Now if you hit the view button once more, you get that nice view around the vehicle, just in case if you're parking in the driveway and your kids like to leave their toys in the driveway, then this way you can see if there's any obstructions in your way just before you pull out. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located on your rear bumper. You're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you have your backup camera, and then if we take a look underneath the Sienna emblem, you'll find your rear hatch release. Now, taking a look at the rear cargo space here, as you can see, you do have some additional space for cargo just located down below, just when you have your 60-40 split third row up. Now you have some storage space over on your left-hand side, and then if you want to actually fold these seats down, all you have to do is just push on the headrests here, and then if you pull on this middle piece here on the back of the seat, make sure it folds down into the floor, and then if you pull this flap up, it'll remain nice and flat, just if you have any cargo sitting in the back there. Now, if you do forget how the seats actually fold up or fold down, the instructions are just located on the back of the seat, but all you have to do is just make sure you pull the flap up first, pull on the middle piece here, make sure it locks itself into place, and then pull on the strap that's just located on the back of the seat here and tilt back to the desired position. Now, the reason why I say the desired position is because you can actually tilt the seat back farther just so you're more comfortable on the ride. Now, over on your right-hand side, you do have that power outlet in the back there, so if your third row passengers need to plug in their digital devices, they can do so. And the other nice thing is it does have the power tailgate, so once you're all finished up, all you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically, making things much easier for you when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.